So I don't like to overcook my onions. I don't like them white, but also not overcooked. So I'm gonna stop there and add in my bell peppers. I'm gonna add in my yellow and red bell peppers right now. Let it simmer for a few. This is just onion, yellow and red bell peppers. We haven't put tomatoes yet, guys. We haven't put tomatoes yet. So I've added my yellow and red bell peppers. I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes and then we'll come back. I'm going to go ahead and add in my tomatoes. Right, don't never ever cut tomatoes that size. Oh gosh. These are very big chunks. You have to try and cut them into smaller pieces. So usually my West African friends would prefer to blend this as it is right now. Okay, right now I'm in Kenya, so just gonna do it the Kenyan way. So we all know that salt is the #1 tenderizer. We're gonna add in salt to save on gas. Let's add in some salt to tenderize our tomatoes. Salt to taste. Don't put too much salt. It's not good for your health. So you want to cover your tomatoes and let it cook for a little bit. They are still half cooked, so usually you can just get this out of fire as it is and blend it. Okay, blend it. You could actually add in all your spices here before blending it. But I'm going to be putting my spices later after putting the okra, so I'm not going to add any spice here. Okay, so guys, I am just about to add in the okra. Brace yourselves. Okay, I'm burning my kitchen towel. So this is ready. You can see it's ready. I can go ahead and add in, reduce the fire. This is too much. And you can add in your okra bit by bit. Okay, bit by bit, bit by bit. Okay, so that's how I do it. Add in bit by bit. Ensure okra gets immersed in the tomato paste, tomato and onion paste. is the reason for adding the okra bit by bit, okay? So that each okra gets a taste of the onion, ginger, garlic, red pepper, yellow bell pepper, and salt, and what else did we add here? Guys, you see? So now I'm gonna add in just a little bit of water. I'm gonna add in a little bit of water. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of this water. Okay. Please don't do it the Kenyan way. Kenyans would want to add in a whole bucket of water into this. Don't do it like that. Okay? Keep it the West African way. Gosh, Kenyans are gonna kill me today. So we can add in a little bit more water because we're going to add in our fish and it has to cook. Okay? Be adding in our fish and the fish has to cook, so ensure that you put enough water. So let's go ahead and add in the spices. This is turmeric or turmeric. This is turmeric. I love turmeric, so I'm just gonna put enough. This is onion powder. This is onion powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my onion powder as well. So let's open it. Let's see, I am opening this for the very first time. Onion powder. So this is onion powder, guys. Remember all the onions I put. 4 red onions and 1 big white one. Then I'm adding in onion powder. So you can imagine how much I love my food with adequate onions. I'm gonna go ahead and put this cube of spice. Okay, I love my food spicy. I'm gonna go ahead and add this Nor beef cube. How do you open this? Okay, I got it. Just 1 cube, and you should be very careful with your salt, with the quantities of salt if you like your food spicy, because the spices, some of them already have adequate salt, so you don't need to put in a lot of salt. And then when you add your spices, the food is tasty but too salty, so it will not taste good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of habanero into the food. Just a little bit of it. Oops, okay, that's a little bit for me. So I'm gonna also let's add some cinnamon, guys. Cinnamon. Let's add in cinnamon. Okay. How much spice do you like in your food? Please comment down below. How much spice do you like in your food? So what's remaining? I'm gonna put just a drop of, like a teaspoon of white vinegar. I love apple cider vinegar, but the economy cannot allow me to get that just now. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm using this Virginia Green Garden, the regular one. Okay. Yeah. So just a tablespoon of that. And finally, I'm gonna, first of all, guys, I forgot a very important step of doing this. We need to sort of marinate the fried fish, okay? Well, it's not really marinating, but I needed to add in the vinegar and soy sauce. and let it sit for a little bit before adding it. Okay, the rest of the stew. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add in soy sauce here. Then we'll take the fish plus the mixture and just put it there. Okay, a little bit of soy sauce here as well. Guys, we are done with spices. So we have this. This I'm going to be using for the very first time. It's a Chinese spice. Okay, it's called Chinese sweet and sour. Okay, it's a spice. I'm just going to go ahead and add it. To be honest, I'm using it for the first time. Using it for the first time, so I don't want to put a lot of it because I don't know. I was told it tastes good in food. I like my food super spicy. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't want to spoil my food. Okay. So this is coriander from the same company. This coriander. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of coriander as well. Just a little bit of coriander. I didn't use fresh coriander, I didn't have any in the house, so this is coming handy for me. So we are done with spicing. We're done with spicing. Now we can go ahead and mix everything. Together. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It looks so good. Right. So please learn to taste your food for salt. Exactly. The salt is on point. That's exactly where I want it. Okay. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine this with semolina. Panko. Like, very nice. So now, let's see. Okay, guys, I think our okra is ready. So we're just gonna go ahead and add the steamed fish. Add in this again. Steamed fried tilapia. The baby tilapia gonna go in as well. Adding some more tilapia. It's not even as spicy as I thought it would be. So it's just perfect. The entire family can eat it, you know. Just make it as spicy as you can handle. Don't try to be mean, you know. My spicy might not work for you, for sure. So just be yourself and make it as spicy as you think you can handle. Okay, guys, so can you see any fish? I have made sure that all the fish disappears in the stew. Let's add in this. Okay. So we can let this simmer for a few minutes and then our food is ready. Guys, this is better that cooked with red oil. I'm out of red oil, so unfortunately we don't use the vegetable oil, you know. But trust me, let's taste this soup. It's time to taste this soup. Let us taste this soup together. Shall we? Let's taste the soup, guys. Let's taste the soup. See. Very delicious. Very tasty. Very, very tasty. Gosh. This one needs banku. Very tasty. Unfortunately, we are out of banku flour as well, so we're just going to go ahead and make Kenyan ugali. I'm going to eat this with ugali, the regular one. We're out of banku flour, we're out of gari. So we're going to be eating this delicious meal with ugali. Go ahead and start on the ugali sides. So now our food is ready. We're just going to begin and enjoy. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, you know, when it's ready. So press this out. Ta-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. Here you go. That's the ready food. That's the food right there, man. You're going to enjoy. You're going to enjoy. Don't be jealous. You're going to enjoy. It's really nice, you know. It would be nicer with banku, but there's no banku, so we're going to eat this is ugali. I'm gonna be eating it with this ugali as our accompaniment in the absence of banku. This is the ready food, guys. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh gosh, I wish you knew. Just look at that tilapia, the way it looks inside this stew. Oh gosh, it's mouth watering. Okay guys, time to let me go and enjoy, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.